So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do automated defocus or blurring using expression. So let's start our video. And before starting this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Sriram, Jai MERA BAJRANGBALI. Now, first of all, I have this image. So first of all, let me do what? Let me just take one, just shuffle here, okay, and just let me take my channel right. If I take this red channel, it's going good. So let me take here one shuffle and let me take this channel here, right? I have this channel. Now what I'll do, you guys can do just one key also if you want, or just take a grade node. Okay, after taking a grade node, what I'll do, let me do what, let me think once. So this is a alpha channel. Now this is will be my channel, so let me just brighten this up. And now what I'll do, I just take an invert node here. Now this, okay, so let me do one thing. Let me just do one thing. Now just do this, and also I just do white clamping. Okay, or you guys can take another clamp node here also if you want. So don't need for now. So this, okay, and also you guys, if you guys don't want to use invert node, it's okay. For now, I am deleting this node. Okay, I'm just doing reback to it. So this little bit I will just do changes. Okay, and little bit of lift. Okay, so I have this. Now what I'll do, I will keep this as it, and I will take another shuffle node here. Okay, and I just delete this both and this red channel. Okay, and also just let me this. So let me connect this. Okay, now I have this. Now what I'll do, I'll take a copy node, give this a pipe here, and give this b pipe. And another thing, you guys can do this, not these are not mandatory technique, you guys can do this very shortly in shorter also. I'm just showing purpose, I'm just showing before, because many beginners guys are seeing this. So I have this, right? Now keep this RGB red and keep this DevZ. Now I've got this channel and I have got this here a diff channel, right? So what I'll do, I will take here. You guys can take set defocus node also, blur node. For now, first of all, let me show the technique. So basically, if I take the normal defocus node, so in this case, I don't need this. So do what? Just go this, and you guys can do right click, add expression. Okay. So now I will type here like what value you guys want to keep, right? If I want to keep right 4, my size will be 40 because rate will be intensity. Now give this bracket or type here frame star. Now how speed you want, how many time you want to just do this defocus process. So let me give this one for now and just bracket close. And before this expression, I will give this plus sign. So it will be my size, intensity, and it will be my speeding rate. So basically for now I'm with this 0.8. Now hit OK. Now see, it's going defocus, right? But here is a magic. If I just play this, now see, it will just automatic getting blur. And like this kind of similar kind of video I already made previously. Those guys who didn't see that video, they can see this video also, and see they can see that video as well. Okay, so similar kind of video, actually almost same video, it's not a similar kind, almost same video. The thing is that I need to show you guys more advanced, right? So not only blurring, you guys can do more defocus in complex level also. Okay, so see, it's getting automatic blur, see, right? And now in this footage, if I just put this set tape, now if I just take this set defocus node here, now keep this here and just keep this tape. Now point your focal point like this, and after this just go to, just you guys can go to size or maximum. I'm going this size and just give this like 8. Now plus frame star 1 bracket close. Now give this enter. Now let's see. Now just of this, okay, now see, it's getting defocus, right? And let me give more value, right? I can control it here. So let me take it 18. Now see, okay, and now it's getting more set defocus, right? So let me fix this also point, at which point I want. Now there is a depth. Now keep this focal plane setup. Now see, this is this, okay. So for now I'm give this around like 28, not exact 28, I give this 8 only. Okay, and I am giving this 8. Now see, now give this result, and let's see. Okay, so I'm getting this. Okay, this differs. Let me see here. So this is also differs, right? So let me keep this aside here, like this kind of point, or keep this kind of point. Now check here. So for now, I'm giving this not exactly 8, just give 28. Like now it's getting 36, right? So maybe I can push little harder, right? I can give this like 40, 42, right? If I speak 16, maybe 17, maybe 18, I can go, or maybe 20 if I try. So it's 48. So give this 50, right? 22 is 50. Now keep this aside, okay? And I can control this maximum value, right? So there's the thing, and don't worry, this is coming because of our maximum value, or and the depth channel also is matter, right? If your depth channel is very good, then more differs you guys can get. Now see, I increase the maximum value, it's getting more differs, right? See, right? Now if I just play from previous frame, sorry, if I just hit from previous frame and just play it. Now it's loading. See, the differs rate will automatically matching, right? That's the thing of this video. It will buffer too much time. Okay, so that's the thing of our video. Okay, so the main motto is to that. And if you guys feel like it's not working so properly, let's keep this aside and just keep this frame 1 and keep this frame 50. Now 50, right? Now here if I go to fast frame, I can see maybe there is some artifacts. Don't worry about this because of dip channel, and maybe some little say difference issue is there. Like if I just view this, see, this is like this, and if I just view this here, now see, you guys can see that in fast frame it's getting little difference. Let's check in fast frame. See, it's difference, but not. But if I go to last, I mean the ending frame, let's see what difference rate. It's getting more difference. See, in fast frame there is a difference, but not too much. See, particular this case, and there is some artifacts. Don't worry about this. See, there's some less difference, but in last frame, see, it's getting more difference, right? See, that's the thing, and don't worry about this artifacts. It is coming due to depth channel because our depth is not so much fine. See, so that's the thing of this. So you guys can check with this node as well. See, in here it's not there, but it automatically increasing, and the difference is very increasing gradually. So that's the motto of this expression. You guys can control any, like any plate, any during any paint prep work, or as well as any CG combo also. You guys can do it, like creating expression and just automate the process. So just you need to play with the values. That's it. Okay. So you just put the value and just multiply it. Your device will increase gradually. Okay. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and please share this video with others. And thank you. And before ending this video, as I said to everyone, Jai Sri Ram, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.